Hey everyone, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can set up your Shopify store with the Debutify theme. So in this guide, I'm going to be unpacking the Debutify theme, how you can download and install it, color customization and best practices, and so much more. So let's get right into the video. And to get started, for those who are unfamiliar, what exactly is Debutify and why does it garner such amazing praise as a top Shopify theme choice? And in short, Debutify is a premium third-party theme focused explicitly on empowering e-commerce entrepreneurs to rapidly launch stylish, high-converting online stores tailored for dropshipping products or even print-on-demand merchandise business models. And its benefits stem from consolidation of all tools required, streamlining such operations under one centralized hub, avoiding hassling with disjointed apps. So you'd be getting access to all-in-one customization as you can modify full store appearance, individual product displays, and even multi-page checkout processes with just a few clicks, thanks to enormous variety of built-in sections, elements, and blocks to selectively activate. There is also the native conversion optimization, dead simple theme editor. It's very easy to intuitively drag and drop page builder, which simplifies applying changes without demanding any advanced coding skills. Quick changes for rapid testing and so much more. It also supports the developers. So if you're convinced to get Debutify now, let's go to the download and installation steps. And we want to get started by visiting Debutify's website and signing up for a 100% forever free account, entering your target store URL during the initial user registration. Now, if you don't have a Shopify store already set up, then go ahead to shopify.com and then sign in for a free trial. And right now, for a limited time only, you can use the link in our description box down below. Create an account with it and you will be granted a 3-day free trial, and then after that you will only have to pay $1 a month for your first 3 months on the platform. So if you haven't already, go ahead and grab the offer before it runs out. And now you can access your newly created Debutify account dashboard and click the download pink button to download the actual theme files in a zip format. After that, we want to go back to our Shopify admin dashboard, and then from here navigate into online store and then the themes section. Scroll down until you see the add theme button and then select to upload the exact Debutify zip folder that we just downloaded, and leave all of the other settings untouched. After that, you would have to wait until Shopify unpacks the zip package and installs the theme files integrated natively, containing all of the conversion features, unlocked and ready for launch. And just like that, within a few clicks and minutes, we've added a high-powered, sales-focused theme full of paid tools costing thousands for totally free. And now comes the part where we have to customize our Shopify theme and make it more tailored for our brand and vision. And for that, we want to customize the colors, typography, and styles. So go ahead and click customize right next to our theme. And from here, we want to review the main stylistic elements in the Debutify toolbox so that you can modify it to your own vision. I would start with the color palettes. So from buttons to background fills to hover state accents, designate your brand's signature color palette, including a fallback combinations across nearly all the theme aspects. Ensure proper contrast between backgrounds and font colors for readability. Debutify includes a built-in advanced color chord generator recommending harmonious accents, finding ideal pairings suitable for non-designers. So I'm going to go ahead and choose this one for my own store at the moment. And then after that, you want to make sure the typography hierarchy is all set up. So tweak the global site-wide typography cascading across all headings, body paragraphs, and block text elements by targeting the root elements. But keep in mind to keep a good amount of contrast between the colors of the background and the fonts that you select for readability. There's also the consistent core styles, so beyond color and fonts, definitely reinforce an extra layer of visual consistency, applying the same button borders, shadows, input styling, whether on isolated product pages or in cart or at the final checkout for positive familiarity. And beyond the surface level cosmetic adjustments, Debutify also enables deeply adapting the homepage and the other pages' layout structures, including exactly which eye-catching sections you want to occupy your own UI. So let's examine the sections that you can tack onto pages and then rearrange, influencing experience. And to start with the full width hero images, you want to make a strong first impression by showcasing the visually impactful lifestyle imagery which visitors land on the moment they enter your store. Short, minimal overlay text maintains focus on products and models, letting pictures speak louder than words, conveying brand themes non-verbally. Also, the calls to action buttons link into relevant product URLs or collections, keeping the momentum flowing. There's also the curated featured products galleries, so immediately trail visual hooks with displays explicitly showcasing your absolute best-selling products prominently, or if you have any social proof, star ratings, or sky-high total sales. Any positive peer validation builds additional buyer confidence in exploring collections, knowing that the items come already pre-vetted by fellow customers. And that's really all that you need to know in order to get started with a Shopify store using the Debutify theme completely free. Thanks so much for watching this video. Let us know if you have any other questions on the topic in the comment section down below. And if you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make related to this one.